How to add location on your profile on REDnote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open REDnote application in your mobile device. Once you open the REDnote app, you want to go ahead and log into your REDnote account. Now once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you are inside the profile section, simply tap on Edit Profile right over here. And once you are inside Edit Profile section, you'll find different options. From here, simply select Location. Now simply tap on Select Reason. Now from here, go ahead and choose your reason. And once you have your location right over here, go ahead and tap on Confirm. Well, that is how you can simply add location on your profile on REDnote app. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.